Alright, now which hand should I ride with? I'm gonna say I'm gonna carry with my left hand because I should brake with my right because that's my strong hand. And also it's from the rear, the braking, so it should be a little bit safer. Here we go. There's a bleep word. Have a nice day, lady. No, I heard him. Where you at, Russell? My boy Russell, right there. Let's take a break. Oh, roller skate. Woo! Look at that. That's real life right there, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, hold the cake over a fridge. Good idea. I think there's gonna be a new Amazon factory right there. Amazon. Let's go. Downhill, that's gonna be the fun part.